Hey guys, so this is my first widescreen video for, guess what, my YouTube channel, because the YouTube channel needs widescreen landscape videos as opposed to the straight up and down ones I've been filming for IGTV. So I finally got around to beefing up my YouTube channel, and hence the videos are going to be long form. But the great thing is that I can do them more than 10 minutes, so I can cover much more, and I cannot go into panic mode at like 9 minutes and 30 seconds when I realize, oh my god, I have to wrap up and I have so much more to blabber about. But anyway, what I want to talk about today and what I'm posting up on the blog this week is a full review of the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe. So I got kind of an advanced jar of it in their 1 day kind of preview offer about 2 weeks ago. So I've been using this for almost 2 weeks now, and it's a pretty incredible formula. I'm going to go much deeper into it. I want to talk about one of my favorite eye creams ever, which is also avocado based. And look what I brought today. I had to be all about the avocado, right? So I made avocado toast because it's a theme. But anyway, this product, and I have this like crazy realization, and I'm gonna try it during the day today. And here's why. So first of all, it's a sleeping mask, right? What's a sleeping mask? A sleeping mask is a formula. So the difference between a sleeping mask and a night cream, I want you to think about this. So a sleeping mask is a formula that is occlusive, meaning that a lot of the formula, the point of the formula is to create a veil, kind of a second skin layer over your face that lasts throughout the night and seals in everything you've applied under it so that nothing escapes through the veil. And by doing that, it prevents moisture and water loss, the loss of oil and water during the night, so that your skin doesn't become dry and dehydrated by the morning. When you wake up looking much healthier. Are you glowing? I don't know if I'm glowing when I wake up in the morning. I mean, I have the heat running, I have the humidifier going in the bedroom, but you know, no matter what I do, I'm gonna lose moisture, and I'm gonna lose particularly water. So the point of a sleeping mask is to prevent that as much as possible. And so that's what occlusion does. That's why you want to look for products like that are occlusive. A night cream is absorbed into your skin. There's nothing preventing that moisture and water hydration from escaping. No matter how much you put on, it's going to escape. So when you wake up in the morning with a sleeping mask, with a well-formulated sleeping mask, you're going to find that it's still on your face to some degree, and that's the whole point. It needs to remain on your face in order to prevent everything else from escaping below it. So let me talk a bit. Oh, I was going to say, I'm going to try this during the day today. I've done my entire skincare regimen already. You see? My morning skincare regimen is complete, except for this, which would normally be the last step. Not particularly the sunscreen, but a sunscreen. I have like 5 sunscreens in rotation. This is the one that actually is my favorite. It's really, really, really light. And I love that it's a fully mineral sunscreen that absorbs, that doesn't leave a white cast. But this video isn't about that. So I'm gonna apply this to my face so you guys can see how it goes on. And then I'm going to leave it on because it's going to be cold today. It's winter in New York, and I have already had experience with using something occlusive during the day. I don't know if you're familiar with not the NIOD hydration vaccine. So hydration vaccine is a silicone formula. You really can't see it in there, right? It's occlusive. And it acts like a seal. You see? It looks like Vaseline, but it acts like a seal on your skin. A very light layer. You apply that, and you apply sunscreen over it, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna try the avocado melt today during the day. So I kind of joked a bit in my initial post about this product that if I had the choice of 2 ingredients that I would want with me on a desert island, one of them would probably be honey. Can we make it 3 ingredients? Because I need vitamin C. So let's say vitamin C, honey, and a replenishing plant oil like avocado oil. Those are ingredients that your skin loves and that your skin really needs to stay healthy. In addition, of course, to SPF. So this formula, what's remarkable about this formula is it's no joke. It's not a gimmick. And by that I mean when they say it's avocado, it's got avocado in it. Look, when I worked at Kiehl's inside L'Oreal for upwards of 8 years, I knew that if I was going to name a product after an ingredient, it needed to have at minimum 2% of that ingredient in the product. So in order for you to use the ingredient in the product name, there's actually 74% avocado in this product. You see it? There is avocado oil. There is avocado fruit. Hold on, I know I had it here somewhere. Avocado fruit, avocado oil, avocado extract. What am I missing? I don't remember, and now I'm not going to find it. Oh, I'm sorry. Avocado butter. Hello. Although this is an avocado butter. This is straight up avocado with finishing salt and pepper. So it's got 74% avocado in those 4 forms. In addition, it's got Manuka honey in it, which my skin loves. Look, I love honey. I love honey in my yogurt. I love honey in my tea, and I love honey on my skin. And you might recall that I talked about this incredible honey potion mask from pharmacy last week, but I love a good honey mask. Look at this. This is like a honey gel. It literally smells like pure honey. This is Annie's Way Honey Deep Moisturizing Mask. And I started using this mask last winter. This is the same one from last winter, so I got about a third of the way through it, and I'm gonna be using this quite a bit over the course of the next few weeks. But honey's an incredible ingredient. It's an ancient ingredient. The Greeks used it, the Romans used it to moisturize their skin. It's got really terrific antimicrobial and moisturizing benefits to it. So again, this product, 74% avocado in those 4 forms, Manuka honey, which is going to be terrific for your skin for moisturizing, and actually honey can also be somewhat occlusive. This also has a PHA in it. I don't really remember what PHA even stands for, but there's 3 forms of really terrific acids for your skin. There's AHA, which we know, alpha hydroxy acid, BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid, like salicylic, and the third one is PHA. And from what I know about PHA is that, so if you think back to AHA acids, like glycolic, lactic, mandelic, tartaric, citric, I know I'm missing one, it's fine. The molecule sizes on those acids vary, right? And that's what makes some of them more potent than others, because glycolic acid has the smallest molecule, and glycolic acid penetrates the skin layers more deeply, and that's how you get really extreme benefits from a glycolic acid, but that's how you also can experience irritation. Almost always will experience irritation if it's at a very high level. So PHA is, I believe, the one molecule, the one AHA that's the largest is mandelic acid, which is why skins that are super, super sensitive, if you have super sensitive skin, you shouldn't be using glycolic anyway. You should be looking for mandelic acid. You get a lot of the same benefits of glycolic, not as potent, but you still get the great resurfacing from mandelic, which is a much larger molecule. And the PHA molecule is also larger. So you get a much more gentle exfoliation than you normally would from like a glycolic. So this formula has that mild exfoliating benefit to it in the form of PHAs. And they also added a little bit of kaolin to help clear out pores, keep pores clear. So, can you see? It's kind of hard to describe. You know it's occlusive because it feels like it's layering. It's adding some sort of layer to your skin. It's super creamy. And it smells really fresh. Don't forget your neck. And you're good. A little on the hands, a little occlusion on the hands goes a long way. Of course, my palms will remain greasy, so I'm not going to be able to operate all of my technology. And then let's stick with our avocado theme and take a look at this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I started at Kiehl's in 2002, and when I started, this product had just launched. It's still going. In my opinion, it remains Kiehl's best eye cream and one of the best eye creams on the market. It's just an excellent formula. It has an oil molecule enclosed by a water molecule, so you get kind of a quick break. It suddenly breaks, and there's nothing in this formula that I don't love for my skin. And I can't say that about every formula from Kiehl's. I can't say that about every formula from any brand. But this formula happens to be outstanding. It's full of nourishing plant oils like shea butter, squalane, castor oil, avocado oil at a very high level. It's just a terrific formula. There aren't a lot of antioxidants in the formula, which is fine. Before I came online, I applied my favorite resveratrol and ferulic from The Ordinary. So it's just a terrific formula. If you're looking for a really good eye cream, I recommend this all the time. And there it breaks. You can always feel like, oops, something happened. It's super, super nourishing And honestly, that's what you want in an eye cream. So what else can I tell you about this product, though? If you're not using a sleeping mask, you really need to get on it. And this one's just a great option. There's nothing. I'm going to look at the ingredient list one more time in detail. There is nothing in this ingredient list that isn't really pro skin health. So in addition to the avocado, the kaolin, the manuka honey, and the PHA, Glow Recipe added in some several antioxidant-rich extracts. There's apple fruit water. There's apple oil, which is incredible. There's licorice fruit extract, which is a hanbang ingredient in Korean skincare. It's a terrific skin brightener in addition to ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, but licorice root is just a terrific ingredient for brightening skin. There's rosemary water in here. It's just an incredible formula. Top notch, top grade, really well made, feels great on skin, is super occlusive without clogging pores. So keeps your skin moisturized all night long. And for me, it's going to keep my skin moisturized all day long now too. So that's that, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you all later. I'll drop the links to these products in the comments. It's a theme. It's an avocado theme. Mmm.